our electronics toolbox. This has been on the list forever. So here it is. We open this bad boy up, and underneath the lid we have cable ties. We use a little mounting pad and some wire to twist them together, keep them there. We got our wire cutters, our soldering iron, and this thing to hold wires as we solder them. The lower level we have the heat shrink gun, electronics meter, and everything we need for that, including the manual. So now let's check out what we got on the top of this thing. On the one side here we have some shrink tubes, so we shrink it to cover up the wire. And on the other side we have our solder and some pads, mounting pads, that we might use a lot when we go and repair stuff. So some might be wondering how we got this to go in here so neatly and how we're going to keep it neatly. How do you wind up a cord the correct way all the time? So I wound it up and I marked it. And now I got all these yellow pieces of GPS tape, and you just wind it on up right to where the strap is, and it will come to the same size every time and fit in the same way every time. It's a great way to do things. I've done this with a lot of cords and such. Works great. Thanks for watching.